Lighthouse for Life family, I love getting to invite you to celebrate another month with us. It has been so fun to go to Kara's home and get to spend time with our resident and just watching her continue to thrive, loving school now. They've planted a huge garden that she is enjoying watering and watching things come up and grow and seeing life happen all around her. And this afternoon, I get to go enjoy watching her with some horseback riding from the horse that she is leasing. And so just continue to pray with us that we would get that second resident in there ASAP. We're very, very ready. And I know that she is as well. And with survivor support, the ladies just got back from a retreat. I know two of the women in particular were just incredibly touched and blessed by the love of Christ. Thank you, Grace, for the use of Whispering Willows to help support our ladies and give them that chance to just be pampered and loved on in a unique way. And continue to pray for that team as they are looking to meet some very complex situations, psychological, emotional, physical, financial, all of the different needs that the ladies bring to that program. And in our education department, we've got two big things to share with you. One, the bill that we have been trying to get passed is law officially in South Carolina, which raises the penalties from up to a $200 fine for purchasing another person for sex to a minimum of $2,000, which is a big win. And then for those who are helping with the procurement process, then the fine is actually now a minimum of $3,000. So if you'd like to know more about that, feel free to reach out to us and I'd be happy to share, but please celebrate with us. And then lastly, we have an event coming up in July 11th, which is going to be in conjunction with Love Cola. It's a training that is going to be hosted at Eastlake Church, but is open to individuals from across South Carolina, or Columbia rather, churches and community members to really come in and get some more in-depth training, as well as tangible walk-away resources and application to help support those that you love and prevent them from either being trafficked or being able to come alongside and walk with them in their healing journey. So you can find out more at our website, lighthouseforlife.org, or in the message below. But again, just thank you for your ongoing support and for celebrating with us. We definitely serve a very big, awesome God.